So on this next chapter, I would like to talk about this story in a more analytical sort of, if this hurts, there must be a lesson in here somewhere kind of sense. There must be a deep lesson in here if it hurts this much, and I want to try and extract the lessons if I could, because you know, they say there are two separate areas in the brain, one responsible for emotion, the other logical, analytical, whatever terminologies they use. So now I am trying to look at this from, I'm putting my lab coat scientist sort of. Let's get down to business, shall we? Roll. So let's talk about my dad. that that's you know, one thing I realized about this happening earlier, if you watch the video about the worm, kind of worms, there is a bit there where I'm a bit hesitant to give the person the gift, and there was an instance 5 years ago where I didn't really give the gift because of all this thinking, oh, will they like it, will they not, will they have time to meet me? And that's where it came from. That's what I realized. That's why also I might be wrong, but that's one perspective of, maybe that's where it came from, this thinking of, oh, will they like the gift, maybe I should not bother them, maybe that's where it came from. This instance where I'm not sure if my dad will I feel like I'm bothering my dad just because I want a bit of his time, sort of. That's where it came from. And I think that's the only part where I'll be this close to the topic emotionally. I'll try to separate the emotion from the logic for now. I know they're always intertwined, but still, I'm gonna try to be more scientist. So I forgot what I was about to say. Just a second.